I'm turning my pot on because it's here.
Okay. We gotta blend it first, though.
Okay.
So that's scary that you're putting it on already. Okay. Aren't you supposed to like announce what we're making?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here to cook up something for you.
So we're making spicy cheese.
Spicy cheese.
Or if you want to make
Give
it
it a
sound
fancier name.
like queso.
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 Spicy queso dip.
Or sauce.
Salsa.
Sauce.
I
Dip,
see you got some hot
sauce.
salsa there, so.
Yeah, we do.
So you're doing, once again, Jennifer's doing things the easy way. She's going to show you how to knock this out in 30 seconds flat.
Yeah, but warming your pan. If I did that to one of my, I don't have a thick bottom pan like that.
I made sure to get a thick bottom, by the way.
Yeah, if I did that to my pan, I would start smelling it. Anyway, okay, so we got water.
Okay.
3 cups of water.
Is all this going in the?
It's all going in here.
So you got a pretty easy.
It's all going in here.
All right. I guess I should get to work.
I know.
Water. Roasted red bell peppers.
Well, this is just regular bell pepper. You can use roasted, but we didn't have roasted, so if you don't have
I
roasted,
gotcha.
you can use red bell pepper.
Half a cup. Half a cup. Cashews. You got nutritional yeast flakes here. Oh, you're putting oats. Is this oats in here?
Yeah,
Oh, now that's different.
it gives us some fiber.
That's different. I see lemon juice, a couple tablespoons of that. This right here, we've got hiding over here on the side, cornstarch, 2 tablespoons.
Did you know that if you use tapioca starch instead of cornstarch, it'll give it like a stretchy?
Okay.
So if you want it to be like more stretchy, like
Right.
cheese, then anyway, we're using cornstarch today. But
Good to know.
yeah, okay.
Salt, garlic, and onion, right? Is that garlic and onion?
Yes, garlic and onion. So I know you like to do like a 1 to 2 ratio, but this is like
Just a little
a
bit.
third of.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway. All right. I know that's like my like. Come
She
on,
can
get
hear
on
that.
it.
I don't know if
Get
you
on
can
it.
hear that on
Get to
camera,
work.
but
Get to work. Oh, it doesn't want to.
yeah, that one's a really tight one.
Ugh. Okay. We're gonna blend it till it's smooth. All right. I think we're smooth.
So after about 35 minutes, you'll have a nice, smooth.
Depending on the blender you have.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't take too long.
All right.
If you do take the cashews and blend it with a little bit of water,
Yes.
it'll do a little quicker.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna crank this up.
Yep, we're gonna crank it up and we're gonna put it in there and we're gonna whisk it till it's nice and thick.
All of it.
Yep. Now, if you
Okay.
would have divided your water, then you would take the rest of your water and you rinse out all that yumminess that's still in there.
Not enough to worry about.
Look at all that.
Not enough to worry about.
There's like at least a tablespoon in there, Mark.
So we're just gonna heat this up. Okay, that's looking pretty good. What do you think? Is that not enough for you?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yummy.
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 We'll tell you in a minute.
But we haven't added
Yes,
the spicy.
I am her official taste tester.
It's hot.
Tastes pretty good just the way it is,
Yeah.
which is good.
It's really good on nachos.
But now we're going to add some
Gonna
heat
add-
to it.
Yes. And
There you go.
not everybody likes heat.
Oh, by the way, I did
like
homemade salsas.
I know, I tried
Canning?
it. It was really good.
Yeah.
It was really good.
We might have to do a recipe on. We might have to do one of those
He
for you.
canned salsa. It
To
was
do canning,
really good.
yeah.
You know what? Why am I doing that? So about a cup. Yeah, about down there.
However hot you want it, basically. And this is hot. This is the hot one.
Yeah, it's about a cup. Yeah. That looks good.
Yeah. We have to make sure. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That'll take some hair off or put some hair on type.
It's not that hot.
No, but it gives it like some flavor. I wonder if it's.
I mean, you could go more.
It says it's hot.
You could go more if you wanted to.
You want to do more? I
No.
like hot. Okay.
I'll tell you what I'll do. We'll go like this. Okay. And then,
Yeah.
so that way, if you've got like guests coming over, you could actually have a mild and a hot.
Oh yeah.
If you could get some real color change, that would really be good. But,
Yeah.
ooh, yeah. There we go.
That's better. So yeah, we added. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's nice. You can satisfy your entire family that way. If you got people like it mild, you can knock that out,
Yeah,
and then have
absolutely.
your hotter version over here.
Absolutely.
So
And it's nice because it's got oatmeal. This is like a good
I
way to
know,
eat your oatmeal.
that one surprised me. That one surprised me. She surprises me a lot because we've been doing this for years, and you come up with like really weird ideas that we're thinking that's just weird, but it works.
Okay.
It works, and it's like
So the way you said that
your
at first-
ideas are going to be applied to things that we do all over the world.
Oh,
And it all
scary.
started with you.
That's scary.
Yeah.
I think I should stop while I'm ahead.
God has gifted you with a gift of being able to do things. Yeah. It's amazing because sometimes, you won't have part of the recipe right. But
Yeah.
So between the two of us, and if we get Melody over here,
Oh man.
man, between the three of us,
Would be cramped.
you would have the most spectacular recipes
Yeah.
that we would be able to.
It'd probably be better
Yeah.
if I was able, like, when I'm typing them up, I don't like mistype things.
We'll get you in the studio kitchen. That's the thing. Get you a place where you have room
Oh yeah. I don't
without
have room.
5 kids.
I don't have room.
Okay, 4 kids. Four,
Four
5.
kids. Four kids.
Four
plus-
kids.
4 kids plus the husband.
Yeah. So,
But
but
he usually cleans up after himself and he cooks for himself. So
Oh, good.
yeah, it works out.
this is delicious.
Good.
So there you go. You've got a fast and easy.
Oh, it was
Once
so
again,
fast.
another
So
one of our
fast.
fast and easy recipes. We'll get this recipe out there, especially if you're on the Patreon page.
Yeah, the hot. This hot
I'll
yeah,
take
that
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I'd rather have that one. This one, we go, but I'd rather have the hotter.
There you go. Helping you get healthy one spicy bite at a time. This is really good.